Be responsible for your work. Have materials ready. Advocate for yourself. Be a professional. Meet deadlines. Participate. Be on time. Being responsible student goes beyond simply completing tasks, and also it makes us prepare for future. And self-advocacy, efficient time management, and commitment to high-quality work and continuous personal growth. This holistic approach is not merely beneficial for academic success, it's essential for cultivating vital, lifelong skills that extend far beyond the classroom. Like for example, always ka late. Maka-apekto with ang permi nga pagka-late sa imong pag-eskwela, like dili ka catch up sa mga lessons or gagmay mong grades or mahagbong ka. So we should be responsible. Students should listen to their teacher, to learn effectively, to classmates, to show respect and collaborate, to guests, to be polite, and to instructions to complete tasks correctly. Good listening is a key to a successful and respectful classroom. Attend school the majority of the time. School attendance is a crucial aspect of student responsibility. Dapat consistent ka sulod sa klase. It's because it's necessary for academic success and participation in the learning community. And then, if daghang nagay kay mga absences, then it can lead to falling behind, poor grades, and potential suspension. Socially and emotionally, it can cause isolation, low self-esteem, and even dropping out. In the future, regular attendance is crucial for success. Be a good team player. Provide good, helpful feedback. Stay calm. Encourage others. Stay on topic. Be considerate. Use proper language. Communicate clearly to students and teachers. Being a good team player means offering helpful feedback, remaining calm, supporting others, focusing on the task, being respectful, using appropriate language, and communicating clearly with everyone involved. Successful teamwork isn't just about individual work. It's about creating a positive and productive group environment. The goal is to build a supportive team environment where everyone contributes and feels valued, not just to complete the work, but also to create a positive experience.